Welcome back to the FloTool channel. Today we'll be looking at FloTool's 16-quart Super Duty drain container. The 16-quart drain container is a large rectangular shape that allows you to place the container underneath the car's oil drain pan and catch the full stream of oil without having to adjust it in the middle of the oil change. This container features a deep basin which cuts down on splashing and gives you an adequate time to drain the oil into the container. The container also features heavy-duty caps which eliminate the chance for leaking. The integrated handles allow for easy carrying and transferring. When you're done using the container, you can store it upright or laying flat. You're now ready to take it to your local retailer who can dispose of the oil in the proper manner. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to visit our FloTool website where you can see the rest of our products.